I'm Dilys Price and I'm the Director of Touch Trust. Welcome to the Touch Trust. Come and visit us. Come on through. Now this is our staff. Dave Morris, who is the Operations Manager. Charlotte Aubrey, who's the Creative and Training Coordinator. And Emily, who's our Music and Web Designer.
Okay, so at the heart of Touch Trust, we've got our main session programme, which is all based around our unique programme, which we do on everyday basis, from Monday to Friday and fortnightly on Saturdays. We involve group sessions, we also get one-to-one sessions, and this is for everybody, pretty much. We've got autistic children, we've got adults with learning disabilities, we've also got those with challenging behaviours. We bring them down and have a fun time, have a fun session, and do some good relaxing as well. So that's our session. We've also got...
Well, we run various creative projects throughout the year. We also work with babies as well. Do one-to-one sessions with babies, and we're involved more and more in outreach work around Wales and internationally.
And as part of that, we've got a training programme where we train related professionals, staff in special schools, carers, parents to be able to teach the Touch Trust programme in their own centre, which is brilliant. And that means that it's not just happening here at the Wales Millennium Centre, but here is the creative hub that spreads it out across Wales, the UK and beyond, internationally.
And that's what we do.
My name is Sandra Perkins. I have a daughter who's 24, Naomi Perkins. She has very severe complex needs. One of her needs is autism. And she attends Touch Trust. What has Touch Trust done for her? I think they recognise that everybody is creative, and they've allowed her in her own time, in a safe environment, to explore her own creativity. She plays music. We're just getting her now to dance a little. She'll play a drum, she'll shake a rattle. And in doing that, it's given her so much confidence within herself to explore other things. She will now have eye contact with her peers. She will pay attention and look at what her friends are doing in college. She will laugh. You know, she finds something really funny. And I'm afraid to say that she also performs. So that it's done a tremendous amount for her. It's brought her out of herself. It's given her a focus where to go. And of course, if she's happy, we're happy. So it's helped the whole family.
Yeah, so fundraising is key to Touch Trust being a charity. We're always looking for people to help us, support us, however small. It could be running a coffee morning and getting some friends to come, pay £5 to come in, make some cakes and enjoy it. We do skydiving as well as looking for corporate sponsorship.
So please give us a call on 02920 635 660, or alternatively you can come to our website at www.touchtrust.org.